Hey guys, Raw JDM here. Today we are going to be installing a coolant temp gauge on a 2004 Mitsubishi Triton. So these cars are notorious for overheating issues. I haven't started this car since about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's now 5:30. Just gonna check that the temperature is down. It did move slightly, so we'll see how that goes. But basically we're gonna be cutting into the top hose and running a sender from there because this car overheated not too long ago, and I get a bit paranoid about that stuff. So what I'm going to be doing is taking off top hose, cutting it, putting in the sender, and running that through the firewall. This car already does have a boost gauge, which I am going to be relocating. Boost gauge is located down here at the moment, and that's going to be moved onto the A pillar alongside the coolant gauge. Actually going to get started in undoing this.
Let the flames be on the list, let them going too fast, like right in your back, don't spin it. Left, right, don't knock me down, can't play with a fake, I always play around, might drop the tape, I might shake the town, I might snap.
Okay, so I think I've got everything we need here. Have our sender wiring, gauge, 2 gauge pods. Now, what I'm hoping to be able to do is bridge the gauge from the old one, which I'm hoping has the same bloody wiring, and put that into the new one. Fuck, that's annoying. So what I need to do now, because basically the old series has a thicker one and the new series has a much thinner one, so I cannot get away with bridging the connections, because on the back of the new one it has 2 ports. One where you can put the one that goes straight to the cars, and the other one you can send to another gauge. So what I was hoping was the old one could go straight in here, could take it off this gauge, put it into the boost gauge, but that's not going to work. So I have to fully wire it up. Which is bloody annoying. Okay, what I might start with is putting this in. Now realistically this is the only mechanical part of the video. The rest of it's just wiring. So let's take this off and see how we go. Now I'm going to be honest, when cutting these, it's always going to be nerve-wracking. Probably best to take that off. So the best way to tighten these is just, before you put it on, grab your closed spanner, just push it all the way down and just tighten it the whole way that you can. That's basically what I've done here.
Really pretty and she killing my heart. I just wish that we acted the same, just like we met from the start. I don't wanna go so crazy, shit. On the way to make a living in Mars. Just need to collect myself.
This is never an easy task. So all I did was just make sure there was enough room. So that'll go in there, tightened all the way down. And now I will cut that section.
It's another night to spend with you, my gorgeous darling. My baby is blue, and if you talking, I'll get violent. See the way I'm going, call me chillin' like I'm riding a wave. I tell you that I loved you, but that's easy to say. My shawty packed the blunt, this got us flying to upper space. We in the stars, just at the park, and then we sail away. I really miss that dumb and cute little face. We made a bunch of memories that had us all at a place. Her curly red hair would always be on my pillowcase.
It would be nice if the GoPro could alert you that it stopped recording. Now all we need to do, we've done this is all on, we need to get these inside the car. And also we need to get power to the new gauge, as well as reroute where the old gauge is as well. So this is all the old gauge wiring, which is terrible. And we need to get our new gauge wiring, get it onto there, and then get these also, both of them, up to here. So try and figure that out. Hey guys, so I've got the wiring through the firewall. It was quite basic, but still very difficult. So now what I'm trying to do is get this, all of these wires here all to go up here. So I'm gonna have to remove this panel here, and I'm also gonna have to wire up this as well. So that is what we're in for. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I've got these senders up here, so the boost and the coolant. Now this one is nowhere near long enough, so I'm gonna cut the wires, find the right color in wire, extend these wires to go up there. Then for this one, I'm just gonna follow the same thing, but just go off that wiring plus find what the extra wire does and connect to that. Then I should be able to start with the mounting process, if all goes well. Okay, now I don't have the exact colors that they've got here, so I'm gonna keep the red for the white because that is power, orange for the orange, and the blue is gonna be the black. That's my plan. So I'm gonna snip the wires and get started.
Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't run up on me, I'm way too fragile, never see me, I'm a vibe, dummy. Go for a ride on a jet. That's like a dream song. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't run up on me, I'm way too fragile, never see me, I'm a vibe, go for a ride on a jet. Ain't got no time for no respect, express this shit, fuck up this say, okay, now come, what's the way that I bleed? Stripping, so why the fuck am I in this place? My boy, y'all on me tripping. Double barrel, 808s. I'm sick of looking at his face. Come now, don't fight away. Let's put that pussy in this place. Now, bitch, I ain't done grabbing shit that run. My flow is like a migrant chewing gum. Yo, floating right behind another sun. I'm chilling, kicking back wherever you want. Yo, chilling, kicking back, just think about something. Maybe I could hit this lick, grab a bunch of shit and quick get it off the other. That's not the way that you get it. I'm too excited with no expression. Got my face on the dead to the crescent.
Okay, so those three are connected. Now we need to get as much length out of them as we need, tape it up, and send it up there.
This one goes up for all your homies and my bros. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't rip on me, I'm way too frightened, never see me, I'm a vibe, double throw.
Got our wire. Now this should have plenty of movement now, so let's get back in here. Yeah, I'm not gonna put this all back together yet. Realistically I could, but just in case I've done something wrong, I don't want to have to undo it. Now we can connect these three without any qualms. However, this one has 4 wires, so I need to figure out what each wire is for, and then take that one wire to wherever it needs to go, because I don't know. Alright, so I vaguely marked where I want them to sit. Not very well, but it should be enough for me to get this done. Okay, now we don't want to tie it the whole way because we're still going to need to get the gauges in there. We've got our gauge pods in. Now we just need to run the wiring and tighten it up. Alrighty, well, I'm reaching the latter end of my sanity, so I'm going to put this down. I don't have to drive anywhere tomorrow, so I'm going to finish this up tomorrow night. This is bothering me a lot, so I couldn't let it go. So I'm back here doing this stuff again. So I'm gonna have to extend the wiring for the coolant gauge because it's too short. So I'm gonna have to undo all of the taping I've done and reassess how I'm gonna do this. Okay, well they're on and they turn on also. Positive. Negative is the mess I've got here, and I've got to put all of this back together. But yeah, that's honestly all for today's video. I'll go for a little test drive once it's all back together, showing you the gauges work and everything like that. And yeah. Well, anyways, that was a disaster, but it worked. I was scared the boost gauge wasn't working, but it turns out it's fine. Yeah, so now I've got the gauges in there. They look quite nice, in my opinion. I've still got to set the colour on the other one, so I've got to pull it back out, press the button until it's green, and then good to go. Anyways, Rule JDM here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Let's go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a better life.